Trenton Tower, Cirrus 20 Echo Foxtrot 8 to the northwest.
Full stop.
Full stop, inbound with Delta.
Cirrus 20 Echo Foxtrot Trenton Tower, enter the right downwind runway 24 where you parked at.
We're going to flight serve and we'll enter the right downwind runway 24, 20 Echo Foxtrot.
Alright, flight plan. Little knob in, little knob right. Runway 24. Enter, enter. Direct 2. Enter, enter. Home page. OBS. Course 238.
Oh yeah, you know it. You know it.
Course.
Heart. Course 238.
Autopilot's off.
Yeah.
And
G67 Foxtrot Ultra ground runway 24 text via Hotel Bravo.
Boost pump. Make sure. We switch your tanks. Checklist. Altimeter set. Cabin heat defrost. Landing light is on. Make sure as required. Brakes. I have brakes. You have brakes?
brake check.
We are set to land. 2 nautical miles.
2.4. A turn around 1.5.
1.5?
Yep.
Alright.
Slow it down to 100 knots though. Trim yourself off at 100. There's 1.7, 1.6. You can already start your turn. You just don't have to do 30 degrees. Do like 20 and stay on that rudder, coordinated. Watch that nose coming downhill. Pull that nose up. Add power here. Maintain 1200. Yep, put that wind. You'll be facing a little bit to the left here. So that's put that cross track right. Perfect. Alright. We turned like 1.1 early. And we ended up like a 0.1 early. It's like 0.5 works out real well.
Roger.
That's fine. When that base turn comes, you're going to have that tailwind of 20 knots to help you out a little bit here.
Boost pump, make sure flaps.
Alright, start coming downhill. We're way past our beam point. See what you got. Last one to make good. Or not. We'll see. I have faith.
I have faith. Do you have faith?
Don't get too far.
We are getting pushed.
Getting pushed, yes.
We are getting pushed.
Okay.
Flaps 100.
Start that turn.
And so get our asses on final.
You have to start it earlier than you think, because you're going to get pushed into position.
Gonna be drifting.
Yeah, exactly, you're going to kind of drift it over. Still 19 knot crosswind here.
500.
Did he clear you to land?
Nope.
Just confirm clear to land.
Trenton Tower 20 Echo Foxtrot, are we clear to land?
20 Echo Foxtrot, you clear to land runway 24.
24, clear to land, 20 Echo Foxtrot.
Just always good to confirm if you don't remember. Alright, a little fast here, cut that power now. That'll help that speed come back to about 80. Keep it coming downhill, like just point right at 2.4. Go. Still good. No, you don't have that power. You're good. You're 80 knots still. That's well above stall speed. Get down. A little high still. There you go. A little more right rudder, right rudder, right rudder. Just hold it. Okay. A little bit, yeah. Smooth landing, but a little bit of yaw-y.
Little bit of yo.
Just stay on those rudders. Stay fluid. Keep yourself deadlock centered.
Yes, sir.
Alright, we'll make Delta here.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's make Delta.
20 Echo Foxtrot, make that left turn on Delta. Delta fork this frequency.
Alright, we'll make left on Delta and we'll remain your frequency, 20 Echo Foxtrot.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the rudder there.
I was working on it.
Right, left, you know.
I was working on it.
Stay on it. You got it.
I was working on it.
Because of that P factor when you got that nose up.
Yeah. Changes everything.
Just like you're as reactive with the stick, you know, kind of holding it up like this, your pedals should be like, you know, so we call it dancing on the rudder pedals.
Dancing on the rudder.
You gotta be staying on them, you know, left, right, whatever you need to keep it centered.
Boost pump comes off, make sure comes back, flaps are up, engine is at 1,000. Power level is 1,000, fuel pump is off, flaps are up, lights as required, and make sure it's lean.
You leave the landing light on.
Do I?
Yeah, anytime we're taxiing, anytime you cross a runway, you throw all the lights on.
Yes, sir.
But normally I'll leave it on for visibility purposes.
Trenton Tower, November 267, Foxtrot Golf, holding short runway 24 at Bravo, ready for VFR departure to the southwest.
At the end, we ended.
267 Foxtrot.
At the end, we landed on 2-4.
Winds are 290 and 7 gusting 18.
It wasn't in Allentown, but it was it.
No.
Takeoff.
I wanted to land it 3-1.
Seemed pretty calm too.
Not
Not that bumpy or
No,
anything.
not bad, not
A
bad.
little windy, but not bumpy.
Yeah.